perfect, perfect, perfect.
Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in and checking out another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this easy, simple, beginners friendly, natural look. So if you're interested, keep watching. Before I continue, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you know whenever I drop a new video. So I already moisturized my face off camera, and right now I'm applying some serum of youth. And yes, that's what it's called, and this is from the Shitera Organics line. This is the Argan and Rose Complex Serum. I really love this serum because it's so moisturizing and it kind of gives me a soft glow. I tried to do my eyebrows on camera, but it just wasn't working out. I had to start over like 3 times, and at that point I was fed up, so I did them off camera. I need y'all to help me slay my brows, so if you have any tips and tricks, please leave them down below, because this is getting ridiculous. Moving on, I apply my LA Pro concealer to my lids and gonna blend that in. And today I'll be using the Too Faced Natural Eyes makeup palette, and this palette is perfect for the look that we're going for. Very natural, very neutral. And I'm starting with the shade Erotica, and I'm gonna apply that to my lower lids. Next, I'm gonna use Chocolate Martini and apply that on top of the first shade. And because this is a simple, easy look, I'm just gonna use 2 eyeshadows, so you can do this look in the morning, before work, on the go. It's just like a simple, natural look, like I said before. And by the way, these eyeshadows are very pigmented. Using my NYX concealer palette, I'm gonna use the darkest shade to color correct my face. And I love this palette. I always use it. You guys have seen it in almost all my videos. So yeah, I'm using my fingers to apply the concealer to my face because it just works better than using a brush. After applying it with my fingers, I do go ahead and use the beauty blender to blend it out. I use the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Rare Foundation, and I normally add more foundation than I added in this video. I don't know why I add so little bit. You can still see some dark spots on my face. That's why I normally add 2 layers. After applying my lashes, I use the LA Pro concealer to conceal under my eyes, nose and chin. And I follow up with the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Cashew. I'm gonna use the It's My Ray palette to highlight my face, and under my brow bone I use French toast, and also use that on my cheeks, and under my eyes I use Radiant mixed with French toast. And that's it for this natural look, guys. You can skip a few steps if you like the highlight and the baking. It's not really that necessary. But for the rest, it's very easy. You can achieve this in 15 or even 10 minutes. So yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Leave a comment down below and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.